Hey, you, go.
Wait. Next line.
Yeah.
But you. No, stay back there.
I can't see my script! Fantastic, thank you. Well, I know your secret as well as all these. Don't see why there's no reason why I be given some kind of a bribe. Keep my feet shut.
Fine, what do you want?
Let's see here. Oh, Eric Clapton's greatest hits. Oh, Santa Claus's address. You sexy mama!
Whoa!
Gosh!
Oh, he's pissed.
I burned a feather in this with maybe drop an egg or two.
Ew and no.
I only got a no.
Mother, we'll scrap up roadkill for you and serve it to one on platter for the next month. As long as you don't tell Mr. Chicken what happened.
And just,
Nope.
Hey,
yep, he's dead. Ah!
hey, don't die on us! Don't die!
I'll take that deal and him as well.
Well, that was easy. Too bad you're not. Anymore.
I was young and he was thin.
Oh!
Yeah, he was thin. I don't believe
It's quite delicious.
you. Crazy carcass kicker, what's wrong with you?
Hey, all I have to say is life is like a light bulb. It can be bright and dim. It can break and go out.
Dude, that was deep. That was like super deep. I'm talking knee-high deep. So deep I need a shovel to dig
We
this
get
shit.
it.
Where's Speck? Oh, Speck, you can't leave. You can't live up here in the trees. You're one of us, right, guys?
Absolutely
I
not.
love you.
Oh, let the bird fly and show his true self.
Didn't Casmo get arrested for doing that?
I dropped the charges. Yeah.
All right,
Oh.
Speck.
Sweetheart, please say you'll stay.
Come on, Specky.
Come on. You know you want to come with us.
Yeah,
Because
over here.
Ani Friday has boobies. Let's go, come on.
I'm serious.
Come to me.
Come on.
Come over to the dark side.
Come on. Jerry Mark, come on! Come on! Come on, suck at this. Come on! Okay, he's on our
I
side.
lost it.
That was simple,
I
guys.
guess so.
And it looks like we hit our mark, yeah!
Oh, thank goodness. I'll be here any minute.
Oh, go.
Evacuate these humans.
That's right.
Wait, they're gonna miss the song.
Truly do.
Well, that's just too bad. But listen, hey, thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys for seeing the birds. And you know what else? If you ever see poop on your car, just think of it as us saying, hello. I love you all!
That was great. That was, well, you guys aren't going to actually be able to take a bow because they have to take their set apart.